welcome back. Now, this may be your very first video, and if it is, welcome. I'm Jonah. And if it's not, you should know by now the basics of the infinite banking concept, what it can do and what it's not. But you may still be wondering, well, how does this actually work in my everyday financial life? Today, we're going to break down the practical ways infinite banking can help with common financial goals. Stick around as we explore real life scenarios like paying off debt or buying really big ticket items, houses and cars, even planning for retirement. And let's see how infinite banking can be a very powerful tool for each. Let's start with one of the biggest financial goals that most people have, which is paying off debt. Now, whether it's credit card debt or student loan debt, even a mortgage, infinite banking can help you pay it down strategically. So here's how it works. Instead of earning dollars and then sending all of your extra money towards a debt, you actually put that cash into your infinite banking policy. Then when your cash value has grown enough, you can take a policy loan to pay off or reduce the debt. The best part, of course, is your policy continues to earn interest on the money that you've deposited there, even as you're using the loan funds. So next, let's talk about big purchases. Whether it's a car, a family vacation, or renovating your kitchen, big expenses come up all the time. With infinite banking, instead of taking out a traditional loan or using a credit card, you can use a policy loan to fund these expenses. This means you're your own bank. You finance this new expense yourself, and you can pay yourself back over time. Plus, any interest you would have paid to a bank now is interest that you'll pay yourself, and it will go back into your policy. So imagine buying a car with a policy loan, then setting a schedule to pay yourself back with your interest. This way, your car is paid off and has been paid off since you bought it. And you've kept that growth going inside your policy with your deposited dollars, and then recaptured all of the interest you would have given to the third-party bank because you've been repaying your own bank back into your policy. So now let's talk about building an emergency fund. We all need to be prepared for the unexpected, right? With infinite banking, you can use your policy as a flexible, growing emergency fund. Here's how it works. Instead of putting your cash into a low-interest savings account or even a high-yield savings account, you can store it in your policy. Your cash value is there if you need it, but your premium deposits are also growing while your cash value sits. And if an emergency comes up, you take the policy loan instead of wiping out your savings and going back down to zero, earning no more interest in that high yield savings account. Finally, let's talk about retirement. Traditional retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs can be great, but infinite banking adds flexibility that those accounts just cannot match, not even close. When you use infinite banking for retirement, your policy can serve as a tax-free income source. Over the years, you build up a substantial cash value, and when you retire, you can take policy loans or withdrawals to supplement your income without the same tax rules as the 401k or the IRA. So you can think of this like a personal pension that grows over time. And when the time comes, you can take out funds tax-free, giving you the flexibility that other accounts just cannot offer. To recap, infinite banking is incredibly versatile. Whether you're paying off debt, buying a new car, preparing for an emergency, planning for retirement, it can be a humongously powerful tool to help you reach those goals. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and you want to know how the infinite banking concept can fit into your life, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. And as always, check out the links below to get started on your infinite banking journey. Happy banking.
Gave a lot of game, we never got a lot of things. Bow your head and say the prayer. We taught you how to be the bank.